Hi guys, I'm doing an experiment. I'm gonna get a pair of scissors and a Nerf Dart, and I'm gonna see what's inside the Nerf Dart. I'm gonna do this. Yep, cut the dart up. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the half of it. There we go. That didn't work well. Oh no. Okay, so it's way down there. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? What a red line. Okay, that didn't work well at all. So, whatever. So this is inside the Nerf Dart. Yep. I know you can't see anything. So let's cut it once again. Okay. So this is the half of another half of a Nerf bullet. So let's continue cutting it. Just right there. Okay. So it looks like that now, and you can take it out if you have enough strength. I don't know. Cut it right there. Okay, I'm gonna cut a line there. Try to take it out to show you guys. And right. Okay. So this is the Nerf bullet. The front with the foamy things. Then yep, end of the video, and let me cut to do the outro. Bye.